Okay, welcome guys to the channel. Alright, this video is for people that have been complaining that I do videos, I don't show you where to download files. Okay, alright, in this video, alright, we are going to show you how to download a Fedora OS and also how to create the USB bootable device that you use to run a Fedora. Later on, I'm going to still show you on how to install a Fedora on a PC, that's a laptop or any laptop at all. Okay, apart from MacBook. Okay, you can install it on any system, at even a Chromebook. You can also install it after you have convert it to Windows. Alright, you're welcome. Alright, let's go to download. First of all, the first step, download Fedora. Alright, the first site you see, this is the first site. You're gonna choose it. Then you need to know is that you have to know the type of your bit of your system, if it's a 64-bit or a 32-bit, and also other systems. Alright, you can see my system is a 64-bit, so I'm going to use this to download it. Alright, so now it's downloading. Okay, it's downloading now. So now you can see that it's downloading already. I already have the file here. Okay, I already have the file here which I've already downloaded. That's the website you go and download. I'm just to show you this. Okay, after downloading, what do we need to do first? Second, we go to Winsetup. Alright, going to Winsetup, then we insert our flash drive. Okay, our flash drive is not seen yet. Okay, I think I used it for a Chrome OS once. Alright, let me see how to convert it back. That's a flash. Okay, if you want to format directly from here, I think it will not. Okay, alright, we have to use disk management. Even though you change here, it will not. Okay, let's try and use disk management. Right click, manage. Okay, you click on this PC and you click on manage. Okay, when you click on this PC, right click, it clicks on manage, it comes up and it's up already. Alright, what you need to do next, you go to disk management. Alright, so you go to disk management, then we see to how to delete everything. I think this will not also work. Let me just check. Okay, it's not working. Alright, what we need to do next, if you have tried to 2 of these steps of your flash drive, if you encounter such problem, okay, it seems it's working. Let's check. Alright, it's working. Sometimes you can also use working. Alright, sometimes you can also use the command prompt where you type in your disk parts to clean it. That's the last option you can use if you have such issues. Alright, we go locate our operating system. Okay, and we have insert it. Then you can also do this advanced. This is not also necessary if you want to have a multiple windows. If you don't want to have, no problem, but if you want to have multiple windows, you have to do this. Alright, it's not working, so we have to format. We have to format the flash. We did not format, we only created a partition. Alright, and we have to format it to FAT, not NTFS. Alright, so let's continue, and I believe it will work now. Okay, we have to erase everything. Yes. Okay, so you just sit and wait for it to, after this you're done, your bootable flash drive is ready. Okay, I've said I'm still going to show you how to run the operating system. I think I've done for Linux Mint. I'll still, after Fedora, I'm still going to do for Ubuntu and other of the Linux softwares operating systems. I'm still going to do it for you for free. I'm going to show you how to install them, so if you want to install on your PC, you can do that. Even on Chromebook, it's possible. You can install only when you have convert it to Windows. Okay, and you can do that. Please, if this video is very helpful and you enjoy my video, please do well to subscribe, like, share to your friends, to those that need it. All right, it's necessary you share so that it gets people around that needs it. Please do well to like it. All right, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, after it is done, I think we are done with the video. All right, guys. Okay, what do you need to know about Fedora software is that the workstation we are downloading is mainly for a desktop or a laptop. Okay, for servers, if you go there through the Fedora website, you see servers, you see IoT, or for Internet of Things devices. All right, those are not for normal laptops. Okay, what you need for normal laptops is the workstation. Okay, it has security and it's very good. Linux software, the best of it is security, and most of it is likely used for cyber security. If you want to venture into cyber security, all right, it is good for it. You can use it. There are softwares there that is very compatible. All right, and for terminal coding, it's also good. You can use it. All right, we're almost done. We are done here. All right, it is done here. After this, what you need to do when you want to insert your flash drive in a system and load Windows, I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to show you how to do that in my next video. All right, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and see you in my next video. All right.